So guys, as you can see, we have a paragraph here, and inside the paragraph we have 2 line breaks. Now suppose we want to change the height of these line breaks. For that, go to the style section. Inside write BR opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, display, clone, block, semicolon. With this, the line break will take the full width. After this, we need content, clone, double quotation, semicolon. This will clear the default height of the line break. Lastly, margin, clone. Now the height you want for your line breaks, suppose 5 pixel, semicolon, and we are done. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.